Hi, this is John. Welcome to another video. Today I'm demonstrating how to prep images for sale on online auction sites. And typically when we want to sell something, we tend to take a photo as quickly as possible and upload it, as we can see with this first garment. And the second garment has been placed on a sofa, and this third item being placed on the floor, and this fourth item has been laid on the carpet. So I want to show you the one-click white background, which is in the quick actions. So let's go back to the first photo and then choose quick from the top menu. And under the background section, we have this button here called white background, and just one click and Adobe does its magic, and it does a pretty good job there. And I think that looks much more professional than just hanging it on the back of a door. If I click this right facing arrow or chevron icon, we can see what's happened under the hood. Adobe has created the cutout for selecting the subject and placed a fill layer filled with white between that and the garment, and then has placed a mask on the top layer to mask everything out apart from the subject. If you wanted to, you could click on this mask and do a little bit of extra work by selecting the black foreground colour and using an ordinary brush. And if we were to click on this little piece sticking up here, that makes it even better, just gently. So there we are, that one's finished, and we can save for web. So let's have a look at the next one. Again, this is a pair of jeans. So let's go back into quick and one click white background, and voila, there we are. Don't even need to look at the layers. I think that's fine. We could actually use the crop tool on this and make it slightly more centered, something like that. Click OK, and we can save it. And I think that's much better. It looks much more professional. And this shoe, which has just been placed on the floor, let's again use one-click white background, and there we have it. Another good job, and we could crop that. And the final photo was just being laid on the carpet, and I mean, this is quite a busy background. You know, it's a detailed carpet and a black dress. We have some of the furniture, and we even had part of the foot of the photographer. So let's try white background one click. I don't think this is going to work so well. And as you can see, we've got other bits and pieces included in the side part of the carpet and around the neck. So I'm going to cancel that and start again and show you how you can do this manually. So I've gone back to the original photo, which is now being opened in advanced mode. So the way to start doing this manually is to go to the select menu and choose select subject. And you can see the kind of job that is done. Similar to before, we've got part of the carpet and part of the hanger and carpet showing through the neck. So I'm going to place that selection onto a new layer by pressing Command J, which is Control J on the Windows PC. And if I switch off the eyeball on the background layer, you can see the selection more clearly on a transparent background. I'm going to put a white fill layer behind it, which is what the intention of this exercise is. And whenever we bring a new layer in, it always comes in at the top of the stack or above the selected layer. So I'm going to select the background because I want this white fill to be between the background and the cutout. So I'm going to go to the menu, layer, new fill layer, solid color, click OK, and I'm going to put the hexadecimal in for pure white, which I know is FFFFF, and click OK. So there's our white background and our dress on it. I need to go back to the top layer, and I'm going to add a layer mask by clicking on the mask icon at the top here, and make sure the mask is selected with a blue outline. And if we paint with a black brush, that's the foreground colour set to black, and choose the ordinary brush tool, we can start to clean up by removing the unwanted part. You'll have to do this quite quickly. I'm doing it, sorry, you'll have to do this quite carefully. I'm doing it quite quickly to save time for this demo. One cool tip is if you click once and then hold down the shift key and click somewhere else, you get a straight line, and that can often be a quick way of refining things. And I'm going to just click into the neck and just tidy this up. Just slightly overdone it there, but I think that looks better than the original. And again, let's try this technique of one click and shift, one click on the bottom, sorry, one click there on the bottom, and let's move to the other side and one click, and we get a much straighter edge, which I think gives a more professional look. So there we have it, images prepped for the web for sale. Good luck with your selling, and I hope you found this one-click white background tip very useful. See you next time, and bye-bye for now.